Hello there. If you look out of your window, you will see so many different types of trees and plants around you. Do you know what are the different types of plants? How do they become so big? In this module, we will find all the answers to these questions with Rani and Tinku. One day, Rani and Tinku were getting bored, so they went to their grandfather and asked him to tell them a story. Their grandfather told them a very interesting story about a small seed. Here it is.
Sure. Today I will tell you a story that is not only interesting but very informative also. Once there was a farmer who was carrying a bag full of seeds in his cart. But there was a hole in his bag, and from that hole the seeds started falling down one by one. Gradually all the seeds fell down on the road. Most of the seeds were trampled under the feet of the travelers. Only one of them survived and hid himself under the mud in a nearby park. It was very thirsty. As luck would have it, it started to rain. The seed was very happy to drink the rainwater. He started to breathe. He decided that he will stay in that park only. So, roots started coming from the bottom of the seed and attached it permanently to the ground. But it was very dark inside. The seed wanted to see the world outside, so it sent a shoot outside, which slowly grew taller and taller. The seed was enjoying his life. The baby shoot soon became a hard stem, and now the seed was a young plant, fully covered with lovely green leaves. Soon a bud appeared on the branches, and when the spring came, it blossomed into a beautiful yellow flower. Each person who came to the park used to admire the beauty of that plant, and the seed said to itself, "What a lucky seed am I!"
Grandfather, please tell us a story. What happened then? That was really informative, Grandpa. Now I know how do seeds turn into plants.
Plants are living things like us. They are found all over the world. Plant life starts with a seed. When the seed gets enough light, water and air, it starts to grow. The root grows down towards the earth and the shoot grows upwards. Slowly, the baby plant grows into an adult plant. This process of a new plant growing from a seed is called germination. We see different types of plants around us. Some plants are big and some are small. Big plants are called trees. They are tall and have a strong woody stem called the trunk.
Yes, I know banyan, neem, mango and guava are trees.
That is right. Some plants have a thin and hard woody stems. Such plants are bushy and are called shrubs. For example, rose, jasmine and cotton. Some plants are smaller than shrubs. They have soft and green stems. Such plants are called herbs.
I can tell you the examples of herbs. I have read about them in my book. They are tulsi, tomato and coriander.
Absolutely right. Climbers are plants with long and weak stems. They cannot stand on their own. They need support to stand upright. For example, grapevine and money plant. Plants like pumpkin, watermelon, etc. are known as creepers. They grow close to the ground. They have a very weak stem.
Grandpa, I want to know what keeps these plants alive. What do they eat?
Plants can make their own food. Plants use sunlight, water and air to make their own food. This process is called photosynthesis. Plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. But some plants cannot manufacture their own food. They depend on other plants or animals for their food. Some plants eat insects to fulfill their nutritional requirements. Plants like pitcher plant and Venus flytrap have special types of leaves to catch insects.
Do you know, Rani, that plants are very important for us? Plants clean the air and give us oxygen which we breathe in. Plants give us vegetables and fruits. We get fiber from some plants. We get cotton from the cotton plant. Cotton is used to make clothes. We get jute from jute plants. Jute is used to make ropes and mats. Many plants are used to make medicines also. We get quinine, the medicine for malaria, from the bark of cinchona tree. Plants like neem, tulsi, turmeric and ginger are used for medicinal purposes. Flowers like rose and jasmine are used to make perfume. Trees give us wood that is used to make furniture, doors and windows of houses. Paper is also made from the bark of trees. Rubber is made from the juice of the rubber tree. We also get gum from trees. We get firewood from trees. The villagers collect the firewood from the forest and use them to cook food.
Welcome back. I hope now you know everything about the life cycle of a plant, that how a baby seed changes itself into a big tree that gives us so many things. Plants are very important for our survival. If there are no plants on the earth, the humans will also cease to exist. So, it is our duty to safeguard the existing trees and plant many new ones.